In this tutorial, we'll explore how to seamlessly integrate AWS Lambda with DynamoDB, allowing for efficient updates to DynamoDB tables through event-driven triggers. Begin by creating a NoSQL table in DynamoDB. Name the table booking with BookingIt as the partition key, which serves as the primary key. Keep the default settings and click the Create button at the bottom. Navigate to the booking table, click on the Exports and Streams tab, and turn on DynamoDB Stream with key attributes only. Now, in the Create a Trigger section, establish a trigger with Lambda. Click the Create New button. Within the Lambda function, use an existing function from the blueprint. Opt for the Process Updates Made to a DDB table option. Ensure you have a role created with DynamoDB access, Lambda execution, and CloudWatch logging access. Choose the booking table and keep all fields simple. To monitor Lambda executions, connect to CloudWatch log. Navigate to the Configuration tab and Monitoring and Operation Tools. Click the CloudWatch log group link to create a log group with the same name. Ensure the trigger has been successfully created. Add a new value into the booking table by clicking Create Item and providing attributes and names through the console. Check CloudWatch to confirm the log stream has been created. Click the stream to verify that Lambda has been called and values have been processed. In conclusion, the seamless integration of AWS Lambda with DynamoDB provides an efficient way to trigger updates based on specific changes in your DynamoDB table. Use cases for this capability include real-time data processing, automated notifications, or any scenario where you need to respond dynamically to changes in your DynamoDB data. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AWS insights. Until next time, happy cloud computing!